Hi there, I wanted to show you a little online game that you can use to practice balancing if you're having some trouble with that. So if you go to, if you Google Classic Chembalancer, it's from FunBrain or Fun-Based Learning. This is the website up here. Or Google this whole title. You'll find one called Classic Chembalancer and one called the Review Chembalancer. And it's a way for you to practice balancing. And balancing, as you know, is a super important skill in chemistry. So remember the chemical reaction here. We have the reactant side, the left side, and we have the product side. So when you play this game, you're just going to put numbers in here to start off. Then you're going to look at it and see if it's balanced. So if I look on this side, remember the left side of the reaction, the reactant side, has to balance the right side, the product side. So if I look here, I only see one aluminum. And over here, how many do I see? I see two. So this reaction is not balanced right now. So after you put the ones in, you'll see these drawings, and you can look on the left or right and see if they balance. So I'm seeing that the left side doesn't balance the right side. So I'm going to change it to 2 there. And you're going to see on the left side now I have 2 aluminums, 1, 2. Over here I have 2, so that balances. And then let's look at the oxygen. So here I have 1, 2. They're bonded together in a diatomic molecule, but I see 2 atoms of oxygen. The left side has to balance the right side, so over here I see 3. So it's not balancing. So you're going to go back and forth till both, you can change numbers here, wherever you think you need to change numbers. It's kind of like in math where you do guess and check kind of stuff. And you're going to go back and forth till everything on the left side, all the oxygens on the left, balance the number on the right. In this case, they do not, so you're going to have to fix that. I won't give you the answer. I want you to try it yourself. And then the aluminums, these balance now. I have 2 here and 2 here, but the oxygens aren't balancing, so you're going to have to mess around with numbers up here to see if it balances. Once you're done, you're going to click the balanced tab there, and it's going to say, oops, sorry, you're not balanced, so you have to go back and fix it. So I'm going to stop there, and you're going to practice it yourself. So if you're having trouble just writing out the chemical equation and putting in coefficients, and you're having trouble with it, you might like this way of doing it, the Classic Chembalancer and the Review Chembalancer, because it shows you visually that the number and type of atoms on the left have to balance the number and type of atoms on the right. So you might like this as a visual representation of how to do this. And it's a skill that we need in class. So I'd recommend if you're having trouble with it, just on paper and pencil. It's too hard to do that way. Maybe you want to try this way till you get used to it. So this game has various levels, various questions, and the questions go from easy to hard. So when you get near the end, it's going to be harder and harder. But it's a really good practice, and I really recommend that you try the Classic Chembalancer and the Review Chembalancer. So Google those 2 things, and you'll find it. Good luck. Bye-bye.